I'll be explaining the simple steps you need to follow to create a real account in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have the latest version of the MetaTrader 5 app. I already have mine downloaded and installed here. So when you open it, the next thing you will see is the privacy policy. So all you have to do is to go through it and then tap on accept. Then in the next page, you'll be asked to open a demo account. So we're not trying to open a demo account, so I'll have to skip this. So to skip this, I'll tap on this X icon here. So the next page says find a broker. Broker are websites like deriv.com, fbs.com, xnet.com, and so on. These are the websites that you register and verify with, that they will allow you to fund the account you register with them and then log in the account with your MetaTrader 5 and be able to trade. Let's say you want to open an account with Deriv. Let me search for Deriv now. Deriv. Okay, I have a lot of Deriv broker options here. So let me choose the first one. So and it says open a demo account. So which means I can't open a real account with Deriv through MetaTrader 5 app. So this is not the right way, this is not the right process. So now let me show you how to open a real account. What you have to do is to go to your browser, choose any browser of your choice, Chrome browser and so on, any one of your choice. So as you can see here, I'm already on app.deriv.com. So just go to app.deriv.com. You will see the option to sign up or create an account. So here is saying login and here is saying sign up. So I will tap on this one, sign up. So the sign up process is very easy. You just have to enter your email and then enter a password and your account will be created. You just have to verify the email. They will send you a link to your email and then you verify the account. Or to make it more faster, you can create an account with Google account. You can as well create an account with Facebook. You can also create an account with your Apple account. Should I say iCloud account or just an Apple account if you're using an iOS device? So these are the methods. So once you have created your account, the next thing you need to do is to go to app.deriv.com and then log in. So let me log in and show you the next process you need to take to create a real account. So now let me log in. Now I've entered my email and password. Let me log in. After creating your account, sign in. If you sign in, the interface will just be like this, just that the number here will be 0. Number that is going to be here will be 0 because I already have a demo account. That's why this is showing this amount here. So the first thing you need to do after creating your account is to make sure that you have verified your account. Verify your account before funding it. After verifying your account, you can now proceed to create a real account. In order to create a real account, tap on this option here that says demo. When you tap on this, you will see the option to choose real. And when you choose real, you'll be presented with binary options and then CFDs. So this one is binary option, the one you can trade on the Deriv website, while this one is the ones you can trade in the MetaTrader 5 app. To create a real account, all you have to do is, after switching to real, switch to CFD and then come down and click on get accounts. Get any of these accounts depending on the one you want. These accounts has their features, so maybe there is a particular one you are looking for, but me, I'm using the Deriv standard. It's saying open and transfer here. So but if you don't have the account, to be showing get just like this ones here. So let me show you how it will look like. When you tap on this get now, you'll be asked to create a password. So this is MT5 password. As you can see, create an MT5 password that you're going to use to log in the MetaTrader 5 app. So when you create this password, you'll be given login ID. And when you go to MetaTrader 5 app, you enter the login ID and the password. You will be signed in. So let me go back and show you for the one I've already created the account with. So I have the Deriv standard account here. Let me tap on open. So now you can see the account login ID. Look at it. I can just copy it from here and then I'll put the password that I have copied, and I'll have to choose the Deriv server to make sure that it's correct. So but the best way and fastest way to log in to your real account is by tapping on this trade with MetaTrader 5 app. So when I tap on this now, I'll be taken straight to my MetaTrader 5. So it has selected everything, both the server, both the broker, and I have already input the the login ID for me. All I have to do here is to just input the password that I created during registration, and I will be signed into the MetaTrader 5 app, and I will start trading. So now let me enter my password and then we continue. Now I have entered my password. Let me check this to save password so that I will not be entering my password anytime I open the MetaTrader 5 app. And then I'll tap on sign in. So I've successfully signed into the MetaTrader 5 with my real account. So that is it. As you can see, this one are the quotes and the trading pairs. You can tap on this plus icon to add whichever currency pair you are looking for or anyone you want to trade on. So now let me tap on charts. This is the chart. So this one is my balance, account balance, and where I can see active trade and trades that are already going on. And that is all on how to create a real account in MetaTrader 5. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. If you have any question, kindly drop them in the comment section. I'm always here to help. I'll also drop my WhatsApp contact. Contact me on WhatsApp if you want to ask me anything concerning Forex or MetaTrader 5. I'm always ready to help, and I will see you in the next video.